Hello and welcome again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Used to have here that channel like that we have it before, like that we used to have here a channel, my friend. Now, if you see the price, it's break it here in that zone. It went upward, it came back, it gave us here that pin bar. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So, my friend, we started again. Today we got our daily candle. By the way, if you haven't watched the previous videos, go and watch them because all our analysis, they are connected to each other, my friend. Because that analysis here is connected to the previous one to the other one, because also we're analyzing for you every day the market, my friend. So we put in for you every day 2 videos, one after New York open and one after the daily candle close. So if you are interested, you can join us, and we are going to put every week analyzing for you the on-chain. So you're going to be covered the market from all the sides, my friend. So let's start, my friend. As you see here, the daily candle, how it finished last night. It give us a big engulfing candle, my friend, that one. Then today, as you see, there is no big volume till now. The volume is very, very, very small. So people, they still debating. They don't know if they are going to go long or to go short, my friend. Till now, there is, what can we say, that people, they still scared. But as I told you before, that our zone here, it's still holding and it's still powerful, my friend. So that our analysis till now. And let me to show you. And as you see here, my friend, our indicator, it's still here orange. So we're still going up. It try here to reduce, but I think it's going to stay here in that zone a little bit, like how we did it here last time here. Then after that, it's going to go upward, my friend, because till now there is indecision. People, they still scared, and that level here of 24k, it's still stronger, my friend. So let's see what's going to happen. But me, I think it's going to go till here, till that 27k level, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. If you do, go down and write it for us in a comment, my friend. Help us, because also we're doing hard work to doing for you every day 2 videos. So you helping us by just liking the video, my friend, and writing for us a comment. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into a lower time frame to show you more. What is it there, my friend? Here we are in the 4 hour, my friend. In the 4 hour, if you remember, and we'll paint it again to you for everyone to understand what else we're talking about. Used to have here that channel like that we have it before. Like that we used to have here a channel, my friend. Now, if you see the price, it's break it here in that zone. It went upward, it came back, it gave us here that pin bar. Sorry, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. And by the way, I paint or draw the channel again every day. So even if for the new people, they saw in us here, they will understand what else we're talking about, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. As you see what I told you, the price is breaking the channel here. And it went up till here as I showed it to you before. We got here a stronger level. Then it went back down here. It gave us that pin bar, that one as you see it. Now it went upward, my friend, but it couldn't even reach to that level. So there is not high power there. Until now we're still only here ranging as you see it, my friend. So there is not a lot of volume today in the market, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. And by the way, something very important here. If you see it with me, my friend, what you got here, the volume as you see it, what it's doing here and here. So the volume is getting lower and lower. Even if that green candle, that one is getting bigger, but that red candle here, pushing down, it's still more powerful, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? So, if you want to enter long, my friend, don't enter now. Always if the price came here and break that level here. Break that previous high, that one, my friend. That one also we're talking about. Till the price came and break it, then that's the right time for you to enter, my friend. Everything is too clear. Till now there is nothing. It's much from here. It will go down till it will hit in here. Then after that it will go upward, my friend. But till now there is not yet a confirmation of the break, my friend. Everything is too clear. And as you see here, my friend, what the price trying to give you here in the 4 hours, as you see it, give you already here a head and shoulders, but it hasn't break the neck yet. And as I told you here, that level here of 23k till 24k here, it need the price to break it. It need to price for us to know us the trend is changing. It need to break for us the 24k here, and that one here also we're talking about the 23,400. So that one is need to be broken, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So, and that our indicator, my friend, as you see it, also is still here in the orange side. So you see it's being here red. It came here to the green, and now here, as you see, my friend, here when it came here, same thing. Now also we are not in the place to buy and we are not in the place to sell, my friend. So we're still waiting what's going to happen. And another thing, if you see it here in that zone, it become here very clear for you. And here, my friend, used to have there a divergence, my friend, and that will pushing the price down all that much. But till now, as you see, touch here our trend line. By the way, the trend line here by white, also we put it in daily. So everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. Let's go in lower to 1 hour to show you more, my friend. What is it there? Here we are, my friend, in 1 hour. And 1 hour, as you remember, also we used to have here the triangle, as we said it before, the one and the one and the one and the one here. It's being broken here in that level. It went up or till here, then it came down and touched it again. But till now, there is no break here. So let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend, and for everyone to understand what else we're talking about. By the way, if you don't know what else we're talking about, my friend, if you want to learn to analyze like us, to know the direction, the real direction of the market, down below in the first comment, my friend, you're going to get a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. The course, it costs $200. By using the couple link, is it in the first comment, my friend? The course, it will cost you only $13. 13, my friend. $13, my friend. It's a very good deal and huge discount, my friend. Go to it. By the way, it's still only 2 days for that couple length, my friend, to finish it. So go to it before it's finished. The course is going to teach you everything you want about technical analysis, my friend. It's going to teach you how to draw support resistance, how to read candlesticks, how to draw trend lines, how to read those patterns also we're talking about. Everything, my friend. And by the way, with that course, there is more than 6,000 word books about technical analysis, my friend. So you're going to be, by the end of that course, you're going to be a pro trader, my friend. Go to it before it's too late, my friend. Only the books, they're worth $6,000 in Amazon, my friend. And also we give it to you free. So every chapter in that course is got 2 or 3 books. That books, like let's said, you go into the candlesticks, you're reading the candlesticks and those things, you're going to find 3 books there. They're talking more about candlesticks, like how to draw support resistance, 3 books. How to draw supply and demand, 3 books. How to read Heikin Ashi candles, 3 books. How all those things, indicators, 3 books. How to read the volume, 3 books. How to know if you are in an uptrend or a downtrend, 3 books, my friend. Everything in that course is very, very, very good quality knowledge, my friend. And you learn from pro people, not from people that just bring indicators and they show it to you how to trade using indicators. Believe me, my friend, me have been in this world of trading more than 20 years and know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're using indicators, you will not get any success, my friend, and you will lose all your money. Remember that. If you want to get success in the world of trading, you need to learn to analyze using price action, plus to know how to diversify your portfolio. That's the right way, my friend. There is nothing else apart from that. If you choose indicators, majority of the indicators, they just lagging, my friend, and they just repeat themselves again and again and again. They always give you fake signals, my friend. That's why us we using price action, because price action, you're reading the chart in front of you. And the price action doesn't lie. When a candle finishes, it doesn't lie at you. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's going back here to 1 hour and to show you more, my friend. As you see, my friend, here that the candle was broke, it came here till that level here, as you see it. Then it came down here. It touched that triangle from the top. Then now look where we are, my friend, here. But till now, as you see it, my friend, the market is dead here. There is no volume there, my friend. I tell it to you yesterday, I told you there is no volume there. And by the way, I tell it to you and I repeat it and I repeat it and I repeat it. Don't enter long only if it's breaking here those previous highs, my friend. As you see it, it's been retraced now. It's been touched now 3 times. The first, second, and we are going to it now. Or maybe it will dropping down to touch that one again, because even that one it's been touched 3 times. So let's see which one is going to hold, my friend. The upper one or the down one. But till now, don't enter, my friend. As I tell it to you before, maybe the one just a trap for you to enter, and then they will drive the market down, my friend. Believe me, the things that happen every time, that it might just a trap from institutes and big wells, my friend. They want you to buy from them, and then they will buy from you lower for them to make money like that, and you losing your money, my friend. So always focused about those things, my friend. By the way, if you are not subscriber, subscribe to our channel, my friend, and help us to boost that channel. Everything is too clear, my friend? So that's it for today, my friend. See you in the next video after the daily candle finished, my friend. Bye for now.